Unbox my Christmas gift with me, guys. This hand pack is available at Wosi. Let's open it together. Let's see what is inside the hand pack. You can get this hand pack for any of your loved ones. They're going to appreciate it because everything is inside. I mean, it's a very portable, presentable gift that you can send to any of your loved ones. Those in Africa, send gift for your loved ones in the UK. We want to eat Africa food, and here we are. This is suya pepper, original suya pepper. When I tasted it, I was like, hey, my suya don't go down with that. This one I chin. These are 3 packs of plantain chips. I mean the sweet one. Just check what is inside now. This is the tomatoes. It comes in 2 packs inside. What is Christmas without ororo? I mean ororo. Sunflower oil is inside 1 liter. Palm oil yellow. Why are they African market if they don't have palm oil? This is milk and Milo. Do you see? Your loved one is going to be jubilate you anytime they deliver this hand pack to their doorstep. And this is a Maggi pack inside. I mean, everything is inside, believe me. This all-purpose seasoning comes in 2 packs. Oh my god. Now this is 3 noodles inside 1 pack. Oh. And one good thing about it, it comes in different pack. Depends on how you want it. It's available on their website. It's also available in their shop. As you know, you can do walk into Wosu shop. Yeah, this all-purpose seasoning comes in 2. Now guys, I'm still opening it. So this is malt to cool your brain. Who go receive this hand pack when I go tell you thank you for 100 times? This is tin tomatoes. It comes in 3 delicate tin tomatoes, the small one. This is custard, Lady B custard. No, just tell me, is there anybody you will give this gift? Then the person will not say, oh, you did not try, oh. They will appreciate it. These are noodles, 3 packs of noodles. Guys, look at this time and curry. This is the kind of gift when someone receives. Every time you just see your phone ringing. Thank you for the gift of that day. They will call again. Why? Because every time they keep using your product or they keep using your gifts. Because this kind of gifts not they finish for Hazo. Just within yourself, close your eyes and think about that loved one you want to send this hand pack to this Christmas. Your mother, your sister, your brother overseas. People in Africa, come and send people in the UK give, because we said we need gifts. We need gifts. So guys, these are just packs upon packs that I'm packing out of the hand pack. Like, it's full of goodies. Everything inside is useful. There are different packs, small one, big one, medium one, just the way you want it. And also guys, do not forget, I always have tips and goodies for you guys. Shopping at Wosu website, do not forget to use Benny Omoido as your promo code discount to get extra huge discount. This is a bag of rice, a mini bag of rice that you can eat almost how many times, you never still finish. So call and get this hand pack for your loved one right now. They will appreciate, you know, knocking on their door, seeing a beautiful gift like this, your name written on it with a small letter. You see that smile on their face. Surprise! From this and that, they're going to appreciate it. Rush to Wosu right now. They are online, or you do walk into their shop to get this beautiful gift for that your loved one. Make person smile this December because and she wants us to deliver to her friend.
Yeah. So congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.